All right, today we're going to tear down one of the biggest myths out there, that old saying, you need money to make money. We're going to dive into a blueprint that shows you how to kickstart a business with literally zero capital.
I mean, this is the question, right? This is the one that stops so many amazing ideas dead in their tracks. Everyone thinks you need this giant pile of cash or a loan or some big-shot investor just to get off the ground. It feels like this huge wall you can't get past. But what if that wall isn't really there?
That's the answer. A big, fat zero. Nothing. Zilch. Now, I know that sounds completely impossible, but stick with me. This isn't about some magic trick. It's about a total shift in how you think about building something from the ground up. See, the real currency you need, it isn't money at all. It's something else.
And that something else is what this is all about. We're calling it the pure hustle mindset. This, right here, is the engine. It's the secret sauce that completely replaces the need for a fat bank account.
So what does pure hustle actually mean? Well, it's not just about working hard, burning the midnight oil. It's a very specific mix of ingenuity, relentless effort, and being incredibly resourceful. It's about flipping the whole script, using your brain and your energy as the primary investment, not your wallet.
So let's break that down, because these are your new assets. Resourcefulness? That just means you stop worrying about what you don't have and you become a master of what you do have. Creativity is all about finding a new door when everyone else sees a brick wall. Relentless effort? Yeah, that one's pretty straightforward. And problem solving? That's the big one. It's learning to see every single obstacle as a hidden opportunity.
Okay, so theory is great, but let's see how this actually works in the real world. Our first case study is a classic, maybe the perfect example of pure hustle in action, the reseller. This whole model is built on turning your effort directly into cash with absolutely zero money down.
And just look at how simple the blueprint is. Notice what's missing? You're not buying anything. Step one is finding stuff people are just getting rid of. Think of an old dresser on the curb or stuff listed for free online. Step two is all you. Your effort, cleaning it up, little paint, making it look amazing. And step three? Use free online platforms to market and sell it. Every single step is fueled by your hustle, not your cash.
And this quote, man, this says it all. This is the whole game. It's not about the junk on the side of the road. It's about your ability to see what it could be. That is creativity and problem solving in its purest form. You are literally creating value out of thin air just with your vision and your work.
Okay, so that works for physical stuff. But what about a service? I mean, this mindset isn't just for flipping furniture. Let's look at case study number 2, the event planner. This shows you how the exact same zero capital idea works when the product is you.
Just look at the difference here. The old way, the traditional way, is all about risk. You spend thousands up front on a venue, on marketing, and you just cross your fingers and hope clients show up. But the zero capital model, it flips everything. Instead of paying a venue, you partner with them for a cut. Instead of expensive ads, you hustle on social media. And here's the killer move. You get the client's deposit first, before you spend a dime.
So here's the blueprint for that. First, you build a portfolio to prove you've got the skills. Volunteer for a nonprofit, help a friend with their party, whatever it takes. That proof gets you your first real client. And then, the magic trick. You use their deposit money to pay for all the upfront costs of the event. See, you're not funding the business with your savings. You're funding it with your client's commitment to you. At the end of the day, it really just comes down to this. In a service business, you already own the most valuable asset there is. It's your skill, it's your knowledge, it's your time. The pure hustle mindset is just about realizing that and then figuring out how to leverage it without ever needing to go to a bank.
So we've looked at products, we've looked at services, we've seen how this exact same mindset can build two totally different businesses. So the question really isn't, is this possible anymore? The question now is, how are you going to use it?
Look, if you walk away with just one thing from all this, let it be this right here. Forget about the bank loans. Forget about finding investors, at least for now. The most powerful, the most flexible, the most valuable capital you will ever have is your own creativity and your own will to get the work done. Nobody can ever take that away from you.
And that's where I want to leave you. Just look around. At your job, in your neighborhood, in your own daily life. Stop thinking about what you do with $1 million. Instead, ask yourself this: what problem, big or small, can you start solving right now with nothing but pure hustle?